The Nissan Qashqai II from 2014 to 2021 includes electric folding mirrors as a standard or optional feature for easier parking in confined spaces. These mirrors use electric motors to fold inward automatically when the vehicle is locked, protecting them from damage. They unfold back to their normal position when the vehicle is unlocked, ensuring proper visibility for driving. The system integrates seamlessly with the car's central locking module. All power comes from the vehicle's 12-volt battery, making it energy efficient. Here's a schematic showing the power folding mirror circuit with components like switches and relays. And this wiring diagram illustrates the central door lock connections that control the mirrors. Understanding these fundamentals prepares you to manage the auto fold feature effectively. By default, the Qashqai II's mirrors automatically fold when you lock the car and unfold when you unlock it. This is the auto fold mode. The system uses electric motors to control the mirror movement. This is the most common setting that users have. You can manually control the mirrors using buttons on the door panel or, potentially, the key fob. This allows you to fold or unfold the mirrors regardless of the car's lock status. This is useful in situations where you want to keep the mirrors folded while driving or unfolded while parked. Some Qashqai II models allow you to toggle auto fold by holding the mirror fold button on the key fob for 5 to 10 seconds. Try this method first to see if it disables automatic folding. An alternative method from user forums involves pressing the lock button twice quickly while simultaneously holding the mirror button. This might reprogram the module to disable auto fold, helping owners save on repair costs as highlighted on Reddit. For more complex customization, such as completely disabling the auto fold feature, you'll need to visit a Nissan dealer. They use diagnostic equipment like Consult 3 software to access the vehicle's settings and make changes. The dealer connects diagnostic tools to the vehicle and performs software recalibrations or patches. Expect to pay between $50 and $200 for this service. Looking ahead, mirror technology is evolving with smarter features. Modern systems integrate with advanced driver assistance systems, allowing mirrors to auto-adjust based on vehicle speed and proximity sensors. There's also a shift toward camera-based electronic mirrors that fold automatically and display rear views digitally on screens. Artificial intelligence enables obstacle detection, while electrification brings energy-efficient, lightweight materials. For older Qashqai II models, DIY retrofits are becoming popular as official support decreases. IoT modules allow customized folding speeds and modes, while aftermarket kits from companies like Hella provide plug-and-play solutions. Arduino-based controllers offer advanced customization, and community resources like YouTube tutorials guide reprogramming for enhanced functionality. When modifying mirror settings, safety must come first. Ensure mirrors provide adequate visibility and comply with EU standards like ECE regulations. Test all modifications in controlled environments, and note that community tutorials report up to 85% success rates. Always prioritize driver safety and vehicle functionality over customization features.